Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Pablo Pips Effects here at Forex for Beginners, and I just wanted to provide you guys with like a really quick signal type video update before markets reopen there on Sunday going into Monday there for the new week. One of our recent signals that were sent out was a buy signal for US30. If you guys aren't already aware, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now on this channel and hit that notification bell because we are dropping gems. We have a hyper forex signal group over on Telegram that is just creating fire profits for the massive, and it's just been working out so well. But the thing is, our free trial period is almost up. You have like less than 2 weeks, like a week and a couple days for you to try out and get in for these signals. We started on the 5th thereabout of this month, and it has been running consistently profitable with those members ever since. So if you want to grab a piece of this, go ahead and check out the links in the description below and you'll see what is happening. Also, make sure you check out the pinned post. That is very important. It actually teaches you a few little tricks that I offer my members just to consistently stay profitable using our signals. Alright, so that is very important. If you're still in doubt, go check out our previous signal analysis videos where we went through a few signals sent out. All of them went ahead and hit take profit. Not all the way up to take profit 3 for all of them, but most of them went up to take profit 2. So like I said, really good stuff on this channel, guys. Go and check out the videos, and let's jump right into this video. Alright, so the most recent signal sent out, which was Friday, let me just check. So right here you can see our Telegram channel, and right now we are looking at some signals that were sent out, but I want to find out. Okay, so this is January the 20th. Alright, so that was just yeah, so these signals were sent out Friday, yesterday, and we're looking at the most recent one, US30, where it gave us a buy signal at price 33329. Alright, so right now over in TradingView I have XAU pulled up. Was just monitoring a trade. Right now I see like a sell kind of bias occurring. Alright, but that's not about XAU today. We're going to US30, so let's go ahead and find US30. So all I do is click on the symbol bar right here, and then I will get this little search pop-up. Go ahead and type in US30, and then I press enter, and that will take me to the US30 chart on the 30-minute chart. And if you guys don't know, US30 is also known as Dow Jones. Alright, so there's a little tip if you guys didn't know. Alright, so we got that buy signal right for US30 at price 33329.45. Alright, so we're just going to use our crosshair tool right here, and we're going to go ahead and just see if we can find price 33329. So we're at 333. Get my line tool right here. Alright, 333. There it is. Awesome. So this is our entry. Let's change this to maybe gold. Alright, so there's our entry. So we got this buy signal right here as soon as price came out and broke these highs right here. Right, it started filling some percentage of this candle. A buy signal was generated there from our system, and it generated, as usual, 3 take profit levels. And if you are a member of our Telegram group already, you know how to make sure you get all those sauce. Alright, all 3 positions to hit take profit. You know that sauce. I've been sharing that sauce in our Telegram channel with our members, and it's just been working like surefire for them. So I can even show you guys one member was able to bag $139. This was a signal sent out in Euro JPY. So you know, I'm really happy with that customer feedback right there. Props to you, Bernardo. Alright, but real quick, want to wrap up this video. I want to keep it short. So we got 3 take profit levels right for US30, and they were TP1 was 7940. All right, so the markets are currently closed right now, bear that in mind. So these trades, this signal is currently still valid. All right, so if you're not sure, you're skeptical about our signals, be sure you test it out on a demo account first, all right, before actually going live with our signals, guys. So TP1 was 33408, 3344010. So this is 3344010. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here, you know. So this is TP1 right here, and we're going to change this color. All right, let's see if we can change this color right here. So let's change it to a green. All right, so that's TP1, and then TP2 is 33647. So let's get our next line to here, 33647, 336. Alright, so yeah, TP. Alright, so TP2 is just about there, and the first and the final one, TP3 would be, let's get our line to again, 34004, 3400. Alright, so TP3 is going to be somewhere, yeah, definitely up here. All right, so that is the setup. So right now we're seeing clean buy momentum, bullish momentum to the upside. Like I said, it just obliterating these equal highs, and now trying to fill these liquidity to the upside. So that is the analysis for US30 Dow Jones, guys. This is given from the 30-minute chart. And if you know price action, this is a bull run, a confirmed bull run. We can see that levels of support are being found somewhere in this area. Okay, so we now have wick projections right here indicating that there is strong bullish pressure. All right, sellers are trying to take this down, and they pushed it all the way back up. All right, and then we found these levels of support right here. All right, a little bit above our entry. So far so good looking with the signal, guys. So that is it. That is our analysis for this video. Go ahead, check out our Telegram channel. You don't want to miss this out. We only have 2 weeks left, like I said, a week and a couple of days, and then after that it'll only be $20. So I mean, it's not much, but you want to get as much as you can while it's free. All right, so until the next video, I'll be trading. I'm out.